Introduction. Hi there. Are you interested in building a personal brand? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down what a personal brand is and why it matters for your career and professional life. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the basics of building a personal brand and how to start creating one for yourself. What is a personal brand? So, what is a personal brand? Simply put, a personal brand is the way you present yourself to the world. It's how you want to be perceived by others, and it's what sets you apart from others in your field. Think of it like a logo or a business card, but instead of just your name and contact information, it's about showcasing your values, skills, and personality. Why you need a personal brand now, you might be thinking, why do I need a personal brand? Well, in today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for your career. Employers and clients are looking for people with a clear sense of identity and expertise. By building a personal brand, you'll be able to stand out from the crowd, demonstrate your value, and increase your chances of getting hired or securing new business. Key components of a personal brand. So, what are the key components of a personal brand? Here are a few. Values. What matters most to you? What do you stand for? Skills. What are you good at? What do you bring to the table? Personality. How do you want to be perceived? What kind of tone do you want to convey? Creating a personal brand statement. Now that we've talked about the key components, let's create a personal brand statement. A personal brand statement is a clear and concise summary of who you are and what you're about. It should be short, memorable, and impactful. Here's an example. I'm a creative problem solver with a passion for innovation and customer satisfaction. Building your online presence. So, how do you build your online presence? Here are a few tips. Social media. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram to showcase your work and engage with others. Website or blog. Create a professional website or blog to share your expertise and showcase your personality. Consistency. Make sure your online presence is consistent across all platforms. Putting it all together. Now that we've talked about creating a personal brand statement and building your online presence, let's talk about how to put it all together. Remember, building a personal brand takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the long run. Focus on being authentic, consistent, and engaging, and you'll be well on your way to creating a strong personal brand. Recap and call to action. That's it. By now, you should have a clear understanding of what a personal brand is, why it matters, and how to start creating one for yourself. Remember to focus on being authentic, consistent, and engaging, and don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational content, and we'll see you in the next video.